The Lexus LFA is an uncommon sight, however the track-centered Nurburgring Edition is even less normal. The Lexus LFA is a standout amongst the most incredible supercars to dispatch in the most recent decade. When it touched base in 2012, it came as an entire astonishment from Lexus, an organization better known for making extravagance roadsters and vehicles. The Japanese supercar doesn't show up at enormous name barters regularly, yet when it does you can promise it will offer for significantly more than its unique $375,000 since just 500 were fabricated. A 2012 case in sunset orange is making a beeline for the forthcoming Barrett Jackson Palm Beach sell-off this week, however this isn't a standard LFA. What you're taking a gander at here is the Lexus LFA Nurburgring Edition, one of just 50 on the planet. As the name infers, this LFA is more track-centered than the standard model. At a certain point, it was the quickest creation auto to ever lap the green hell. While the standard LFA produces 552 torque from its glorious-sounding 4.8-liter V10, the Nurburgring Edition's yield has expanded to 562 horsepower. Lexus additionally included a few carbon fiber segments, for example, a bigger front spoiler and a settled back wing help enhance downforce. Like the consistent LFA, 0 to 62 miles per hour takes 3.6 seconds. Previously the supercar best at 202 miles per hour. Game-tuned suspension, grippier tires, and unique multi-talked wheels additionally recognize the Nurburgring Edition. This case going under the sledge has timed up 1,603 miles and was just determined by dealership workforce. While the standard auto would set you back $375,000, the Nurburgring Edition told an additional $70,000 premium. No appraisals have been given, however there's no hold. The LFA has been out of generation since 2012, so Lexus could truly do with another radiant supercar in its present lineup. Addressing us at the current year's Detroit Auto Show, Lexus Group Vice President and General Manager indicated that a LFA successor is an undeniable probability later on.